Sorry about the mess. It's New Year's Day. Just woke up and this is what we're listening to today. It is actually rattling my daughter's pictures on her wall in the next room. Good morning. Oh gee.